So you can make not less than $500 just by following these simple steps that I'm about to show in this video, and you can do it right in your home without much effort, and everybody can do, because it requires zero knowledge or skills online. And once you can access the internet and you have a mobile phone, you can make not less than $500 in 24 hours just by following these 4 simple steps that I'm about to show in this video, and we are about starting right now. Hello guys, welcome to Mobile Money Channel. On this channel, we teach how to make money online using just your mobile phone. And if you have a mobile phone, consider subscribing to this channel, because each day we let you know how to make money online just by using your mobile phone, so that your mobile phone becomes an asset which will make you money while you're even sleeping. Alright, so not to waste too much time, let's move on to the first step here, and it's very simple. Step 1, we're gonna open Google and leave it open. That's what step 1 is saying. Open google.com and leave it open. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna open google.com, Google. So here Google, and we leave it open just like this. Alright, so once Google is open, we're gonna leave that open. We move on to step 2. So I told you it's very easy, right? We are now in step 2, and it's pretty easy. So step 2, open Digistore24, sign up and look for a product to sell. So Digistore24, we're gonna search that on our bar. So you can open a new tab right here and search for Digistore24. Digistore24. So you can see right here, you click on that, Digistore24, and you search that. So once we are done searching Digistore24, well, it's gonna look something like this. So here it's gonna look like. So once Digistore24 is opened, we're gonna click on register now. And here, I'm not gonna do that with you because it's pretty simple. All you have to do here is you enter your username, your email, and you fill in small forms right here, and it's pretty simple. Well, once you are done signing up, what you're gonna do here is you're gonna log in, or you'll be logged in. So if you already have an account, you just click on login and you fill in your info right here. So once you're logged into the Digistore24, here what you're gonna do is you're gonna make money online, and you ask, how do we do that? You're just gonna click on marketplace. You click on that, and once you click on marketplace, you're gonna look for a product which will make you more money. Here you can select any product you see here, because they are all selling right now. That is why they are ranking at the first page. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna select this Done For You service affiliate marketing system. However, it's gonna make us not less than $500 just by selling a single product. You know, just getting one person to buy this product, you will make $500. And you know, it is very easy. We can get not less than even one person to buy this product in one day. That is why I tell you, you can make not less than $500 in 24 hours. So you may ask me, but Brandon, how am I gonna make money? Is anybody gonna buy a product which costs more than $700? Yes, people buy courses more than $2,000. People buy courses online more than $8,000. And why wouldn't they buy a product which costs not even up to $1,000? They will actually buy this product, and you can make money online just by promoting this product. You know, it teaches people how they can make money through affiliate service, how they can make money through affiliate marketing, right? So just by promoting that, people who are interested in making money online will buy this product. So when you find a product that you want to select, you want to promote, what you want to do is you just click on promote, and they'll give you a special link like this. So here, I've done it already, and this is the link. So once you get a link, you copy that link. So you type on it. So you long press on it, and it will highlight, and you click copy. So once you copy the link, you know what we're gonna do. Let's look at step number 3. You come back to Google, search for related keyword to the product. Example, best work from home forums, best make money online blogs, and etc. Why are we doing this? You know, let's take it for example. If you pick a product, let's say this product right here, which is about weight loss, this medical product, you know, it's about weight loss. So when for instance you pick this product, what you're gonna search on Google is best way to lose weight forums or lose weight blogs. Or let's say you pick a product concerning or related to cooking, you're gonna search best cooking forum or best cooking online groups or something like that, blogs, and you're gonna find people who are related to that niche, and they'll be interested in your product. Just not gonna, you know, spam that in it. Just follow this step that I'm teaching you right now, and you're gonna do that with me. So we're gonna do the step 3. We're gonna search for best work from home forums, because we picked a product related to how to make money online. So we are going to do the step 3 right here. So we will come back to Google that we just opened earlier ago, and we will search that best make money online forum. So you see, I just searched it earlier. Just make search something like this. best make money online forums. And once it opens, you want to enter any of these websites here. There are forums that will let you. There are forums here that will let you relate to the group members or people associated with these groups or this website, and also you can post your link. But don't just go spam there. Learn it properly in this video. So I personally prefer to enter this beermoneyforum.com. I just click on that. You can click on any of these. Just look at the one with better engagement and traffic. So once you enter one of the forums, you're gonna open Google Docs, and when you open Google Docs, here is what you're gonna do. So Google Docs, I'll just show it at the left side of the screen so that you see how it looks like. It's on Play Store, so if you don't have it on your phone, just download Google Docs because it is very necessary for this tutorial. You just copy and paste. You can copy and paste this template right here, or you can write a similar one because this will make you money. If you paste your link direct, it wouldn't make you a single dime. Just do what I'm teaching you in this video because because this will make you money online. So you type in something like this. You all may know how it feels when you're desperate to make money online. I was in the same place, but I now make hundreds of dollars every day after I watch this free training here. So you know what you're gonna do? You highlight it here, and then you paste your link so that whenever someone clicks on the here, it will send them to your affiliate offer. So when you highlight it here, or anything like anywhere that you want to, make it your call to action, you just click on these three dots right here, and you insert your link. So by inserting your link, you will paste in. You come back to your you come back to Digistore24, and as I told you, you copy your affiliate link. So you copy the link, and you go back to Google Docs. And once the Google Doc opens, you paste your link. So insert link, and then you paste the link right down here, paste, and you click OK. So you check mark, and you're done. So you see that here is highlighted. So anytime someone clicks on it to find out how you made the money through that free training, you also want to watch that free training and make money. And there, it will send him to your affiliate offer. So let's do it. So when someone clicks on the link here, right here, he'll be sent to our affiliate offer. So this is how it's gonna look like. Yeah. So it is telling the person to register for free training session, and this is gonna teach the person how to discover ways. It's gonna teach the person how to make money online. Through affiliate marketing. After this free training, the person will be interested to buy the course and also make the money this free training is talking about. So you don't worry, you don't have to do any work. All you need to do is write this template right here and paste your link in the template, and once people click on it, you make money online. So when you're done, you just copy all the entire template right here, including your link inside. So you copy the entire template, you copy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna paste your template that you just copied into one of the forums you open. So bear in mind, we open beerforum.com, beermoneyforum.com, and here I'm gonna paste my link by just posting thread. So when I click on post thread, I can paste the entire template, and people will be interested in. So when you're not logging, they will not allow you to paste your thread. So you have to log in or sign up before you do that. And I don't want this video to keep long because it's very, very simple for you to sign up for any of these websites. So just post your template, and people will click on it. What is what you have to do? Check if the forum really has a very good engagement. So let's take for example this beerforum.com. Let's copy it and check on SimilarWeb. Where SimilarWeb is a website which detects or gives the analytics on people's website or other website, let you know how many visits they even get. So I'll just paste it right here on SimilarWeb, and I want to know how many people visit that website and how many people are actually gonna see my template and let me make money online. So you can see right here the website that is called beermoneyforum.com gets not less than 884,000 visitors per month. You see, these are rare people who visit the website in a month. You see, so let's take for example 10% of these 8,000 people actually click on your link and enter, and 1% of those people who enter to watch that free video buys. How many money are you gonna make? So let's say every day you sell this product to 2 people who actually need to make money online, and they are interested to spend even $10,000 on a course. You should let them know how to make money online. That's what that. So they will actually buy that, and if 2 people, you get 2 sales, that means you're making $1,000, and each day it can make you passive income. So the bonus that I told I will give you at the end of this video is that you want to select more products on Digistore24 and apply this strategy so that you increase your earning, and each day you're gonna at least get a sale and you can make money online every day. So thank you guys for watching, and that is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, just like it and don't forget to subscribe, because each and every day I drop videos teaching you guys how to make money online. So why don't you subscribe? This will help you make money with your mobile phone. And keep in mind, if you have a laptop or you have a computer, you can also do that on your computer, because it's just by using the internet. And thank you guys for watching again. See you in the next video.